Welcome to my channel. Today I am in Satwa Museum Jatim Park and I'll show you how to make headband. Now let's get started. We need the item fabric, scissor, elastic, safety pin, clip, thread and needle. First step, cutting the fabric, and the measurement is we need 3 kinds. This is the main fabric, this is the elastic casing and inner fabric. For the main fabric, we need the width of 14 cm and the length of 102 cm. And for elastic casing, the length of 38 cm and the width of 9 cm. For the inner fabric, the length of 36 cm and the width of 5 cm. Yeah. And for elastic, the width of 2 cm and the length of 13 cm. After cutting, for the inner fabric, do not sew. Yeah, only for the inner fabric. But for the elastic casing and the main fabric, you hold in half like this and start sewing from this corner to here. And for the main fabric, you also fold in half, but we have different for sewing. You take from this corner the width of 1.5 cm and the length of 10 cm. And you connect this point and with this point. You make straight line like this. Also the other side like this. And then you start sewing from here, not here, from this point. Start sewing from here, keep sewing until here. And then after sewing, you turn the fabric inside out. Like this. Okay, and then you take the inner fabric, give the safety pin, and this inner fabric will be your lining, and pass the inner fabric through the main fabric. This. You skew like this, like this. You can skew like this. This is the inner fabric. And for the elastic casing, with a safety pin and insert here. And then you start sewing from here to here. Also do the same process with the other side. So this is the elastic casing. The next step, this is a good side, this is the seam line, the good side for the main fabric face us, and for the elastic the seam line face us like this, and you fold and fold like this. And start sewing from here to here. Also do the same process with the other side, like this, and start sewing also from here to here. And then you pull. And the beautiful headband has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.